How we doing, guys?
Good.
What are we doing out here?
Skydive.
Why would you want to do something like that?
Because you only live once.
All right, are we celebrating something?
No. It's my birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday. Is that really her birthday?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Then you guys got to get on the same page. All right.
It's her birthday.
You're both ready? We're going up to about 16,000 feet. We're gonna open that door, bail out 120 miles per hour. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Woo! Come on, look alive. Yeah. Ready? What'd you think?
It was really great.
What was your favorite part?
When we first jumped out of the plane.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think? Good way to spend a birthday?
Yes. Really
So-
good way to spend it.
You gonna do it again?
Yeah, I would do it again.
High five. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Sam. Can't wait for the next one.
Thank you.
Woo! You can go say hi to your friend.